Press the button. It could be easier, really. You know? And do you know what's really cool about this machine? I haven't got to stand here and feed it. I can go away and do something else and just come back and drink that later. Whereas any other juice, what do you have to do? You have to stand and keep feeding the ingredients the whole time. I don't have to do that with this. It's absolutely awesome. You do have to make sure the spouts are in the cup.
What's in it?
What's in it, Brett?
Cucumber, spinach.
It's a green juice.
It's
just the
green
green juice.
grain.
It's just
Think a bit of ginger as well.
cucumber, spinach, and a little bit of ginger. Proper green juice, no fruit.